DailyBean 005, Barbering, Photography, Entrepreneurship. The three pillars that I care about. Kenny Bean Studio, 206E, Baltimore, Maryland. Get with me. Let's go, baby. High quality HD work. Getting my man right with a crisp shape up, hair fibers. He always looking in the mirror. Look at him. Yeah, let's get it, baby. DailyBean 005. Honestly, I can't even believe I'm 5 videos in already. I'm normally on Instagram at KennyBean_Empire, but now I'm on my YouTube wave. You can type in Kenny Bean Empire, DailyBean, or just Kenny Bean Haircuts on YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe, man. Putting out that work. Using my shears to trim the beard real nice. I'm just trying to put it together, man. Let's go. Like father, like son. Like, share, subscribe. Kenny Bean Empire.